Hi, I'm Mike Griffin, and today we're going to take a look at the options RVers have for watching TV. When you post questions about this on Facebook, there are always those who ask why you're watching TV instead of enjoying a good campfire. Well, I'm one of those who wonders why you can't do both. A lot of RVers ask about their TV options. On the surface, the answer is simple. You have the same options you do in your house, but the difference is in the equipment you buy and how much you'll pay for your services. There are 4 TV viewing options available to RVers. Cable TV, over-the-air TV, it's called OTA, Internet TV, which is watching TV shows using the internet, and satellite TV. Now let's take a look at each of these and see what features they offer, the types of equipment you'll need, and about how much each would cost. The least expensive option for RVers is probably cable TV. There's no cost because it's usually provided by RV parks. All you have to do is hook it up and use it. Some campgrounds have really nice cable TV with lots of digital channels, like Fort Wilderness at Disney World, while others may only provide a few standard definition channels. But whatever they offer, it's free to you and easy to use. To use a campground's cable TV, you need to do 4 things. 1. Hook up your coax cable to your site's cable connection. 2. Make sure that your over-the-air TV amplifier, it's usually a black box on the wall, is off. 3. Set your TV to cable input. And 4. Run auto program so that your TV will learn all the channels. Once you've done all of these things, you're probably good to go. You'll often see over-the-air TV abbreviated as OTA. Simply put, it involves you capturing TV signals broadcast through the air using your own antenna. One of the good things about OTA is that you pay only for the antenna and sometimes a small amplifier. Once you have the equipment, it's absolutely free. All the major affiliates, which are local stations of the major networks, are required to broadcast digital signals, so there's a high probability that you'll get these stations if you're reasonably near an urban area. The problem with OTA is that you only get the major networks and a few other stations. Usually these are stations broadcasting old TV shows, shows in another language, or local religious shows. There just aren't enough choices. There aren't many, even though you may have a couple of dozen channels in larger markets. To set up your RV for over-the-air TV, you need to get an OTA digital antenna. There are many varieties of antennas, but RVs usually have roof-mounted ones that are either raised up by turning a crank or automatically raised at the press of a button. 2 popular types in use today are batwing antennas and automatic omnidirectional antennas. You have to use a hand control inside your RV to turn a batwing antenna around until you get a good signal, while omnidirectional antennas like the Winegard Razor sit kind of flat on your roof, nothing's raised, and they find all of the stations at once. To use your OTA system, you have 4 things to do, similar to the things you do when you use cable TV. First, you raise and point your antenna or turn your automatic antenna on. 2, you ensure that the inside amplifier is turned on. 3rd, you change your TV's input to antenna. And 4th, you run the auto program on your TV so that it can find and register the channels. There are a lot of options available today to watch TV using an internet connection. Just as your internet connection allows you to view YouTube videos and Netflix on your phone or computer, it also works for modern smart TVs. Just like your other devices, your TV can connect to your Wi-Fi, and it has built-in apps that you can play YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, and others. If your TV isn't a smart one, you can get devices like a Roku and have Wi-Fi and apps built in, and they connect right to your TV to provide the same features. Among the pros of using the internet for your TV viewing is that you can pay for what you want and probably pay a lower overall cost than satellite TV. Sling TV offers quite a few channels you'd normally find only on cable or satellite, so you can order it a la carte and get exactly what you want. The bad thing about using internet for your TV is the cost. Video streaming uses a large amount of data, and it isn't cheap. If you plan to use Internet TV, plan to spend a lot for data or plan to find a truly unlimited data plan. Internet TV options don't usually include real-time viewing of network TV. If the latest episode of Game of Thrones is on HBO this Sunday at 9 p.m., you'll likely have to wait to see it until your subscribed service is able to provide it. For Internet TV, the key thing is to find the best internet service you can get, and don't fool yourself into thinking that you'll be able to use the Wi-Fi provided by campgrounds. They simply aren't equipped to provide unlimited fast data connections to everybody in their parks. Sometimes it's even difficult to browse the web on a typical campground internet Wi-Fi, much less stream video. And if you are able to stream video, you may be robbing other campers of their ability to even check their email. If you're a serious TV lover, you'll want satellite TV. With satellite, you'll be able to get all of the stations you want and get them anywhere you go. Once you pay for the equipment, if you even have to pay for the equipment, you'll pay a monthly fee ranging from $40 to $150 for your programming. Satellite TV will give you local stations. This includes the major networks, all of the sports and typically cable channels you want, and can even include premium channels like HBO, Showtime, Starz, and Encore. There is usually an equipment charge to buy everything up front, but some companies won't charge you for the equipment if you sign long-term agreements, typically about 2 years. Getting satellite TV for your RV might also be a good fit if you're able to use the same satellite service for your stick and brick home. In that case, you just install a separate antenna on your house and move your receivers back and forth between the house and the RV. By doing this, you'll always have your favorite shows and will seamlessly be able to view any recordings you have made. To watch TV using a roof-mounted satellite dish on your RV, all you need to do is press a button when you arrive at your campsite to automatically raise and point the dish to the satellites. Then you turn on your TV and start watching. The two main satellite TV providers are Dish Network and DirecTV. Since there are a lot of options to consider for satellite TV, be sure to watch my video titled Satellite TV for Your RV to get the details. Well, I hope you have a better understanding of the options you have for watching TV in your RV. There's a lot to think about, but make sure you get what you want and are happy with your choice. If you're unsure, start watching your TV using the options I talked about them here until you find something you like. Until the next time, I'm Mike Griffin, hoping you find the setup you really want so that you'll be able to sit back, relax, and enjoy life in the slow lane.